Oh! I've got glue. Oh shit.
Joke.
What you would I?
Stick it in lock.
Yeah.
That's why.
Oh, you get wasted for that, you know. Right, proper. They'll come tomorrow and they'll realise that everybody's terrorising them. Oh, but when this? Or is it going too far?
There's only plastic on it. There's no plastic on that one.
If we do it, God fucking go. See, I like sex. Don't write your fucking name on it.
No, just wipe it.
Don't write your name. I'm proper smooth. Oh, but I like sex. You feel like the window guy goes. Someone give him the light. Someone give him the light. Give David the light. Do you two hold the light? What's that? I love it. I
No, I
like. Where's right now?
I like sex. I'm coming! Come on, do it again.
You're recording.
PBA.
Take the top off.
Shit, we're recording.
No, we're not.
It's recording, no joke. Is it? Yeah. No.
I like cleaning windows.
Let's rub it out. Oh, that's like cum well bad. Oh.
You look it. We're gonna get well done.
Oh, that's terrorising. Looks like an F.
What do you think it was right? Just go. It was I like sex.
It's still
I
recording.
think we should go after this.
Yeah, we're gonna
Take the bottle with you.
Look at this.
He's gonna win, he's gonna win.
Oh my god, I'm dying with laughing. Oh my god. I'm gonna get fucking dumped for this, mate.
But they won't find out, will they?
No, they will.
They best not.
Well, they will find out.
If you keep this, if you put this on YouTube, they find out.
Oh, what a good idea. Put it on YouTube.
We'll be on news, Terry.
We're on YouTube, yeah.